So, good morning, class.
Good morning,
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, now can you stand up and let's start the prayer. Okay, Glidel, can you lead the prayer?
Amen.
Amen. Okay, thank you. Now, before you sit down, can you pick up some pieces of paper under your chair and then arrange your chair properly?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now, take your seat. So, before we start our classroom proper, let's have some do's and don'ts in class first. Okay, let's discuss our do's and don'ts. So first, when you want to answer questions or you want to raise questions, can you raise your right hand when you answer and when your name is called? Then, speaking English at all times. No one should sleep inside my classroom. Do you understand, people at the back?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now, and also participate in every activity in the class. Okay?
Yes,
did you get everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now that's great. So, before we will start, let me check your attendance first. So, when your name is called, kindly answer me if you want to build if you want to have sole proprietor, you want to be a sole proprietor, you want to build a partnership business, or you want to have a corporation business. So, if you like corporation, if you're present, kindly answer me if you want corporation. Did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let me call your name. Abdul. Rosette.
Corporation, ma'am.
Okay, Mandy Kimberly. What kind of business you want to build?
A restaurant.
So you want to be a sole proprietor? You want to build partnership?
Sole proprietor, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Okay, so since everybody is present, now let's continue on our class. So before we will start, first let's have some energizer. Okay, now class, kindly stand up. So here's our first thing to do. Not yet. So let's have our objective first. So let's read our objectives. So anyone in the class who wants to read? Okay, Miss Danielle, can you read?
At the end of the lesson, the learners are expected to first content standard. The learners understand the different forms of organization. Second, performance standards. The learners shall be able to decide how the business should be structured. The third, learning competencies. The learners can discuss the difference between sole proprietorship, partnership, and corporation.
Okay, very good. So class, at the end of our lesson, let's come up with these objectives. Let's have the outcomes of these objectives. So have the cognitive, the affective, and of course the psychomotor objectives. Okay? So now before let's start our classroom discussion, let's have some energizer first. I want all of you to stand up. Okay, very good. So now kindly cooperate in our activity. So before we will proceed to our new lesson, let's have a activity first, or a game called a battle of intelligence. So have you seen this battle?
Yes.
So this battle will run through all of you in the classroom, and then I will have a music, and then if the music stops, the one who gets this battle will answer or will choose which of the door you want to get inside. Okay? Okay, so now let's start the game. So did you get my instruction, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's start having this one. So before nothing else, kindly stand up and let's listen to some music. So let's have some fun. dance first as an energizer, and of course, for have to have a better lifestyle. Okay. Now, have you heard this music? Are you familiar with this music? So maybe let's dance. Okay, pass the bottle. Pass the bottle. Okay, so you hold the bottle, Miss Welby. So now Miss Welby, have you seen the door here? So we have one door, we have two doors, and we have multiple doors. So the first picture shows one door, so it is a sole proprietor. And then the second door, or the door there is the two door, which is partnership, and the last one is the corporation door. So here's the scenario, Miss Wilby. So you want 1 million pesos in a lotto. So you want to build a business. Which or what kind of business you want to build on your 1 million pesos? Is it sole proprietor? You want to be a sole proprietor? You want to be a partnership, or you want to build a corporation business? Okay, sole proprietor. Why? Why you choose sole proprietor? Okay, so you want to be alone. Okay, very good. Now where's the bottle? Here's the bottle again. So let's have a music again. Okay, now Miss Rosario. So same instruction with Miss Wilby. Which door will you choose? You given or you won a 1 million prize in a lotto outlet. What kind of business you want to build in the future?
Can I ask Mom what is the name of every door?
So the first door, if you want to build a sole proprietor business. The second door, you want to build a partnership business. Or the third door, a corporation business.
The third door, Mom.
Okay, corporation. Why do you want to build a corporation, Mr. Rosario?
Because that is one of my dreams to build a connection to others in a big corporation in the future.
Okay, very good. So you want to build a corporation. You want to become a CEO or a chairman. Okay, so that's the best or the right thing to do that. You have your goal. You have your goal in the future, and you want them to build it up to the end. Okay, so now class, our next activity is what we call, or kindly get 1/4 sheet of paper. Let's have a diagnostic first. Okay. Now, have you seen the picture in the blackboard, in the television?
Yes,
So this picture is a kind of business. So you will choose if this business is a corporation, a partnership, or a sole proprietor. So in your 1/4 sheet of paper, kindly please answer kindly write your answer on your 1/4 sheet of paper. Okay, so we have there a sari-sari store. Okay, what is a sari-sari store? Is it a sole proprietor? Can you write down your answer in your 1/4 sheet of paper? So is a sari-sari store a sole proprietor business, a partnership business, or a corporation business? So, how about number 2? Number 2, there are 2 people in the convenience store. Are they partnership? Are they sole proprietor? Or are they corporation? Now, are you done?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
let's move to the next. How about this one? The logo of ABS-CBN. Is ABS-CBN a sole proprietor, a partnership, or a corporation?
Corporation.
Write your answer on your 1/4 sheet of paper.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay, how about McDonald's? Okay, same. And the last item is this one. So what kind of business is this this one, a sole proprietor, a corporation, or a partnership. Now, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, since you are done, so let's proceed to our lesson proper. So, anyone who wants to read what is business organization? So, can you read Miss Pilapin? I mean, Miss Lapini.
Business organizations have a main goal whether to earn profit, to increase production, to increase their customer, and so on. It is also composed of some individual, whether it is composed by one person or more.
Okay, very good. So that's great. So you have here's your points, and then you got 10 points in today's performance. Okay, so class business organization. So this business organization have main goal with a earn profit. So when we say business, of course we build business in order for us to earn profit. Okay, now any questions about this one?
No,
Okay, now let's proceed. So these are the three forms of business organization. So as what we have done earlier, activities earlier, so these are the three forms of organization. We have sole proprietorship, partnership, and corporation. So now class, who has an idea what is a sole proprietorship? Okay, Ma'am Mandy.
Sole proprietorship is a type of business wherein there is only one owner.
Okay, very good. So there is one owner. Here's your gift for you to write down all your own. Okay, so sole proprietor is handled by one person. So how about partnership? Who has an idea about partnership? So anyone? Partnership? Who has an idea what is a partnership?
Mom,
Okay, ma'am.
I think it is a business that is owned by two persons.
Okay, very good. So partnership is a business that is built by two persons. So here's your gift, ma'am, and then another plus 10 points. That was 10 points for Mandy also. So now, are you prepared? Sorry for the inconvenience. We have something happens right now, which is a power interruption. So let's go back to our lesson. Are you ready, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so very good. Now let's continue. So we are now in the corporation. So any one of you who has an idea about corporation? Okay, very good, Francis. So corporation, it deals with a group of people. Okay, now let's move on and let's go deeper. What is this three words or three organizations all about? Okay, so now let's have the sole proprietorship. So class, sole proprietorship is the simplest business organization. It is owned and controlled by one person. Owner has full ownership of assets and profits. Owner makes all decisions and assumes all liabilities and debts. Okay, so sole proprietorship. So you are the only one who will manage your business. So you have no competition. You have no competition inside the business, and then you have no other things to think about because you were the one who managed all the things in your business. Okay, did you get it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So do you have any questions about this one?
None,
So
ma'am.
far,
None so far. So now let's proceed to the next organization, which is the partnership. Okay, any one of you wants to read partnership? Okay, Miss Danielle, can you read?
Partnership have or more individuals pool money, skills, and resources, sharing profits and losses per their partnership agreement. Second, established by an agreement that can range from a handshake to a detailed document called the Articles of the Partnership.
Okay, very good, Miss Danielle. That's awesome. That's great. So our next organization is the partnership. So Miss Danielle got 10 points for her performance this hour. So partnership. partnership, so it talks about two people. So two people or more people, as long as they talk about partnership. Okay, as long as they have an agreement. So there is also like what the slide says, that there is a group which is they will only make agreement between shaking hands, and there are also between having legal documents. So now, do you have any questions about partnership, class?
None, Mom.
Okay, so if none, let's continue with our next organization, which let's continue with the two types of partnership. So there are two types of partnership. Do you have any idea what are those, class? Okay, so Pilapil, what are those two words?
General partnership, Mom. Limited partnership.
Okay, so very good. So we have general partnership and limited partnership. So when we say the word general, so it means that it is kabuuan, or the whole, or the wholeness of the business. Okay. So while we say limited, so it only limits the assets and liabilities of each partner. So we have there general partnership. So a general partnership involves a shared management and personal liability for debts among partners. So personal assets may cover business obligations, and these partnerships are usually based on trust and informal agreements. So this general is informal. So informal agreement, so there's no like legal documents, so you have only, you talk only with your partner, okay? While the limited partnership, it consists of at least one general partner and one or more limited partners. So when we say partnership, it does not only talk about 2%. So it also talks more than 2% as long as you agreed to have a partnership. Okay? So the general partnership partner manages the business and is personally liable for debts, while limited partners have a limited liability and typically invest capital without participating in daily operations. So when we talk about limited partners, so they will not join with they will just only give, or they will just only invest capital. They will just only give money. So the general partner will do all the management inside the business. While the limited partner, they will only give money, or they will only invest on the business. Okay? So now, do you have any questions about regarding these two types of partnership?
None, Mom.
None so far. So that's fantastic. Now let's continue with the last organization. So we have here corporation. So any one of you wants to read what is corporation? Okay, Miss Danielle.
Corporation. It is a company consisting of a board of directors and sales tax. It is also an artificial being created by the operation of law, having the right to succession and the powers, attributes, and properties expressly authorized by law or incident to its existence.
Okay, very good. So corporation. So I know any one of you already know what is corporation is. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
okay, very good. So corporation, it talks about company, bigger company, wherein there are CEO, wherein you share you share profit, you have your stockholders, you have your shareholders inside the company. Okay, now do you have any questions about corporation?
None, Mom.
None so far. So the three, again, what are the three types of organization of business? Business organization?
Sole proprietorship, partnership,
and
corporation.
Okay, very good. So sole proprietorship, partnership, and then corporation. If it is limited only to 2 or more persons, what kind of organization is it?
Limited partnership.
Okay, very good. So it is a partnership or limited partnership. Now, let's move on to the next one. So this time, class, are you ready with our another activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now, excuse me. So now let's have our next activity. So now kindly get again your 1/4 wherein you answer your words a while ago in our diagnostic test. Okay, very good. Now, let's have this activity first. So our next activity is I am jumbled. Okay, so there is a picture there and there is a description. So the word is also jumbled. Now, write on your 1/4 sheet of paper what does this jumbled word is. Okay, now, number 1, leso. It is only one owner. Okay, are you done? Excuse me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now how about the next one? It cannot go after the personal properties. So it cannot go under personal properties. Now, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. So next one, it has board of directors. Now are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, let's proceed to the next number. Organizations with two owners. Okay, excuse me. Okay, very good. Next, it is one of its example is the Globe Company.
Corporation.
Okay, so now class, in your 1/4 sheet of paper, since now look at your answer. Now let's go back to these jumbled words again. What is the answer of these jumbled words?
Soul.
Okay, very good. Sold. So it is only one owner. Perfect. How about the next word? What word is this?
Limited partnership.
Okay, very good. So limited partnership. So when we say limited partnership, you cannot go after the asset of your partners because you are only a limited partner wherein you only invest capital. Okay? Okay, now let's move to the next word. Now what word is this?
Corporation.
Perfect. Awesome. That is corporation. How about the next one?
Partnership.
Okay, very good. Perfect. Partnership. How about this one?
Corporation.
Awesome. Corporation. So this corporation. Now look at your paper. Who got the highest? Who got the perfect score? Okay, very good. All got the perfect score. Now clap your hands. So since you don't have any question regarding our topic, let's have another activity again. So our activity is a bingo with a twist. So here's your bingo card. Okay, here's your bingo card. So each group will receive a bingo card. Okay, here's the next. Okay, you have 4 groups there. So let's play a bingo with a twist. So here's our. So to participate, create a team, name, and fill out the bingo grid with S. So proprietorship, P for partnership, C for corporation. So after you submit your answers, I'll provide the correct responses. If your correct mark and X is the grade, the first team to get 4X is in a row shouts bingo. Okay, so here's this one. Okay, now do you have any question? Okay, perfect. Group 4, you got the first bingo. So awesome. Group 4 got bingo game. So group 4 got 50 points. Who's next? Okay, very good. Group 3 got 30 points. And the rest group got 20 each. Okay, that's awesome. Fun, fantastic. Now, let's move on to our next topic. So, guys, do you have any questions regarding our topic this morning? None. So, let's have our assignment. So, if you were a best businessman, what form of business organization will you prefer and why? Okay, write it on your 1 whole sheet of paper and kindly pass it tomorrow. Okay, class? Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so since you have no other questions and then everything is clear on to you, so let's end our class this afternoon and thank you and goodbye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.